Hey YouTube Repro Rider here. I am so excited that the new graveyard has opened up. Every 15 minutes you can kick over a new gravestone to reveal a prize. If you can't wait that long, you can spend $650 to kick the next one over early. The prizes vary from candy corn, age-up potions, eggs, and the brand new legendary pet, the Dracular Parrot. Hang around to the end of the video where we will be making a neon Dracular Parrot. So let's go and see what To the Graveyard is all about. The odds for any of the prizes is 1 in 18. However, if you knock over all the gravestones, you are guaranteed to get the Dracular Parrot, which is a legendary pet. That is an amazing deal for just playing the game. Now, I have managed to get all 4 and age them up. Let's see what the new Dracular Parrot looks like as a neon. I will be running a giveaway for the new broomstick. So leave your Roblox username in the comments and let me know what you like the most about the new neon Dracular Parrot, and you must be subscribed to the channel. It's free. So enjoy the new neon Dracular Parrot and stay safe and be kind.